Ki ora whanau ko anahau ko emni here. We are Science in a Bang. It is fantastic to see you all coming in as we speak. We are coming at you live as always from a shed in 275. We're beautiful, we're wonderful, sunny South Auckland. And can I just say, we are geek level 11 today. Geek level 11. And like I say, it's a beautiful sunny day here in 275. And I do apologise for the Facebook viewers. There's two little red mystery arms. I must have touched something and I've done some paint on the screen.
That's really weird.
I can't sort it out now. We're just going to roll with it.
Come to YouTube.
It's been a bit of a busy morning because we did our weekly shop. And like I say, it is a sunny day in 275 for many reasons, Emily?
Well, we want to do a massive shout out to our local Pack and Save. Mangere Pack and Save. Well, the whole of Mangere, really. Yeah. Being respectful, keeping a bit of distance, and having a nice time. Shout out to all the supermarket workers out there. We love eating, so we love you. So, yeah, that was really cool.
It was fantastic to be out there, seeing people behave themselves. No hysteria, this neck off the woods. And I even got walnuts, so I'm a happy man.
Woo!
Now, what's coming up today? Today is an exciting show. We've got some live planting, so hold on for the live planting. We've got a fantastic demo. You can probably see it here. It's one that we've done already today, but we're going to explain what's going on with it. So we're really going to get into the science, and again, it's all about materials. Remember, we've got that coming up. We've got an egg update, some live planting, this demo, and of course, joke of the day as well. On Saturday, we do plan to do the Mentos and Fizz trip, but it depends on two things.
We do plan.
We need 1,000 subscribers to YouTube, so come on. By the way, we got up to 600.
We did, didn't we?
That was beautiful. Hey, so we need to get up to 1,000. Get everyone to subscribe. Everyone you know, get them to subscribe. Kids, you're not at school, but you're in your school networks. Let's get it up there. And the other thing it depends on is us having 1,000 subscribers, but also us actually finding some Mentos. But we won't go into that now. We'll sort that out at the moment. So there's a lot coming up. We've got a lot to look at today. So first of all, can I do a quick egg update?
Do a quick update. When are you getting ready for that? Gemma, Thomas, Jason says hi. Thanks for letting you know. As it's working, Hans and the co-batches are here. Thanks for using the chat box. We like to know if you're here. Facebookers, we can only look at one thing. I'm so sorry. So hop on YouTube and say hi. Lewis is here too. Good to see you. Give us an update, Al.
Cool. So, egg update. I just soaked it in vinegar for another hour or so, and then I managed to clean it up quite nicely, so you can see it there. Please have fun with this. If you're wondering what this is, we dipped an egg. Oh, if you illuminate it, it gets quite beautiful. No, that's cool. Look at that. Look at that.
That's cool.
Hang on. Tell you what. That's quite fun. Hey, look at that. Yeah, I've not done it like that before. I'm quite enjoying that. So, for those that don't know, we dipped vinegar we dipped an egg in vinegar for 24 hours, and then we cleaned it up, and the acid broke down with calcium, and we managed to create a naked egg. So that's a naked egg update. Can I just say, got a great video from my brain's gone blank. Who did
Molly from Gisborne.
No, Tawala and
yeah, we've had heaps of good videos. Thank you, Molly.
Yeah.
If you want to see Molly's video of her doing the tablecloth track, it's on the Facebook site. But also Tawala's family have been doing amazing things.
Yeah, they've been sitting down doing the experiments. They was doing the eggs experiment yesterday, and they even took their egg from a small height and they even bounced it. So we've got the bouncy egg going on there. Look at that. That's quite amazing. So all about changing properties and materials properties affecting each other. And they was having great fun there. They even sing the theme tune by Flying and Sliding at the end as well. So, you know, it seems as if people can't finish their science experiment without singing the theme tune. Molly does something that we appreciate in Science in the Van, just laughs for her entire demos. We appreciate that as well. That's a way to go. You're going to be an amazing explainer one day. There we go.
Yeah.
So, Emily, what's happening?
Some people are apologising for missing days. That's all good, you guys. Like, there's other things to do as well, like chill out. But if you did want to catch up on our videos, go to our website, www.scienceinthevan.co.nz. There is a section with Science in the Van live videos. Click on that. All our videos are there. And also, if you want to get your geek on, which I know you do, there's links to the Science Learning Hub stuff, and they go really in-depth with stuff. It's actually really cool. So check it out. It's really, really cool.
So all 11 days are there?
All 11 days.
So that's over 6 hours of viewing.
Good grief.
Yeah, that's over 6 hours of viewing. All for free.
All for free.
And all of this standard.
It's better than Netflix.
Okay.
Don't put in the comments if you agree with that or not. All right, so Oliver's actually watched all of our videos.
Awesome.
That was really fun. Okay, so now, Alan, are you ready for our experiment of the day?
Oh, I'm geek level 11. I'll tell you.
Geek level 11. So this is an experiment we're going to do for you. This is actually an experiment you'll be familiar with, Alan.
Yep.
Because we do this in our shows, but I usually do the experiments, and you don't usually get to touch nothing.
Nah.
I might let you touch something today.
Ooh.
If you're good. He's been very good today, actually. Gold star for Al. All right. Superhero helpful. So let me talk you through it. We did it on day 1, actually. Please go back and watch that video if you want. But we didn't explain it. So let me talk you through it. We've got a hot plate here by the top of the stove, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
It's getting hot.
Uh-huh.
We don't know how hot. I'd just say really, really hot.
Yep.
In fact, it's getting so hot that these LMP cans, now, we actually got rid of the LMP and Alan drank it.
Woo! Yeah!
Yeah, note to self, don't give sugar to Alan, all right? We got rid of the LMP and we replaced it with about that much H2O. Now, Alan, you know what H2O stands for. What is the recipe for?
If we look at the elements on the periodic table on the cupboard of the universe, H2O, H2O, 2 hydrogen elements joining an oxygen element to make a H2O molecule or a water molecule.
So we've just got some normal water in there. Oh, but it's probably about that much. And it's actually getting so hot, and the can's getting so hot. So the can's are solid, the water's a liquid. The water's getting so hot, it's actually changing into a gas, okay? And inside the can, even though we can see it, there's gas in there. So we can't see the gases around us, but trust me, they're in there and they're going crazy right now. So Alan doesn't realize I'm going to do this, so he's going to love me forever. If you had supersonic eyesight, which you don't, nobody can see atoms and molecules, all right? But if you could, Alan, show us what a solid bunch of atoms would be doing right now.
So the atoms would be like this.
They would be boring and still. They would not be moving around. But if I give you a little bit more energy, a little bit more heat, what would happen?
I'll move around a bit. I'll get a little bit further away. I'll move around each other. I'll become a liquid.
That's right, okay? But Alan, are you ready?
Yeah.
If I gave you more energy and more heat, what would the atoms and molecules do in a gas? That's exactly what they're doing in here. And if you want to really get your geek on and be really cool, you could do solid, liquid, gas. But
what? You just broken my social distancing.
We live together. We're in the same bubble. Come on now. All right. So can, solid, water, liquid, gas. We've got it all going on. The 3 states of matter are all represented in different materials. What we're going to do, we're going to pick up this can with tongs, very dangerous, and we're going to turn it upside down and put it in this cold water. Alan, can you just test the water? It's like a magic trick.
Oh.
Is that water cold?
Yes, it is.
Oh, no need. No need. Yeah, it's cold, okay? So we're going to think like scientists today, like every day. What's going to happen when I put the can in the cold water? I'll give you a little clue. Something's going to happen to the can. Put it in the comments on YouTube. Tell us what you think is going to happen to the can. There's a little bit of a delay. So we'll have to wait.
Hey.
But if you just want to tell the adults you're with, or just want to tell whoever you're with, that's cool too. But if you want to tell us, put it in the comments. Sorry, Facebookers, I can't see that far because my eyes are old. But we've got the YouTube comments up here. What do you got now?
Cool. So, yep, I'm just having a look, Emily.
I know, it's so nice, eh?
So, it's been awesome. So, yeah, Oliver's just put, I love this experiment.
Yeah, I do too.
We've got a lot of people tuning in. Did you know that if you put...
Oh, that might be an experiment for another day.
Yeah, that might be an experiment for the other day. It will shrink and shrivel.
Oh.
Implode. Oh, interesting.
Oh,
like
shout out primary team.
Yeah.
Saying it's going to implode. That's an interesting word. I like that.
Oliver's put an interesting one. The metal molecules will contract.
Oliver, you're totally going for gold star material. Just calm down.
Lewis just thinks it's going to explode. Oof. That's cool.
It
is a science show. So let's get on with it. Here we go. Let's go in.
Heaps of different predictions. We always say, as scientists, your predictions don't always turn out. It's all good. You just need to make a guess, try it out, and see what happens. So, shall we try it out, Ellen?
Yep. Here we go. Big countdown. 3, 2, 1. I want me, Mum.
Ellen, do you want to use this to get that out? Because I really want to have a little look.
I'm getting it out.
Well, I can't reach. I want to reach.
So how much water did you put in it?
I put in about that much water.
It's feeling a bit heavier.
Oh, let's have a listen.
So you put that much water in?
Yeah.
Have you finished? Check that out, my friends.
Check that out. Show the Facebookers as well, if that's right.
There we go, Facebookers. If you want to see it the right way round, go down to watch on YouTube. Also, sorry, Facebookers, for the red spots. Long story.
Yeah, I don't know why there's red spots. Oh, it sounds like pee.
No.
Anywho, so something really cool happened there, and might have done what you predicted, or might have done something you didn't expect. That's all good. We can learn from that. But Ellen, what would you say? Has it exploded or imploded?
I would say it's imploded, because explode is a sudden release of energy outwards, and implode is the reverse, everything coming inwards. So that's implode. There we go.
I like that word. It's crushed, It's crushed. And that's because the gases, especially inside the can, went from being like this, with heaps of energy, to going, oh, my energy has been taken away. I think I just want to be close to all my friends in the corner. All right? So we haven't taken anything away, because it kind of looks like we're taking something away, but actually everything's come closer together, just like us in our bubble owl. Oh, coming closer together. Yay.
And the next can.
Right, we're moving on. Okay, so we've got another can set up. Now, Alan.
Yep.
I know what you're thinking.
I know.
Do you?
Yep.
This looks like a fair test. It's actually not a fair test. This can has been on the hot plate for longer. It's probably hotter. Is that water the same temperature as before, do you think, Al?
Oh, yeah, it's a little bit warmer,
I
reckon.
Cheapers, I was not ready
It's a little bit warmer, I reckon. There we go. Oh, sorry, did I get you?
No, we're all good.
Cool.
Nobody's getting irritable.
So, before Emily does this, can I just say, remember, we have got some live planting going on in today's show, so stay tuned for that. And we also have Joke of the Day coming up as well. But before we explode all that technology, let's get on with this can.
That phone's really wet.
So,
all right.
So, Emily, I just want to make sure I understand this.
Yeah, please.
So, at the moment, the hot plate is heated the water up.
Correct.
The water has now turned from a liquid to a gas. And it is a party in there.
And
so all those water molecules are still water molecules, but they're further apart with all that energy.
Nice.
When we put in the cold water, it's a bit like calling noise control, and that stops the party. So now all the molecules want to get close together, and with that change in the distance between the molecules, the pressure differences changes, and the can gets crushed. Is that correct?
That's cool. I mean, all good parties end up in the kitchen, okay, when they've lost a bit of energy. That's exactly what's happened here. It's gone from, this is the best party ever, to going, I'm a little bit tired now. All right, so we're going to do it again. Tell somebody you're with what your prediction. Alan, give us a countdown, my friend.
Here we go, my friends. We're going to go 3, a 2, a 1. Let's go. Ah!
I think we might have left that on the hot plate a little bit too
Wow.
long now.
That
really was quite intense.
There you go.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm going to turn off the hot plate.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, I've got to unplug that.
So,
yes, let's do that.
Now, let's have a little listen to this. It's cooled down, by the way. All that energy, all that heat energy has been conducted. And that, a word from yesterday, all the heat energy has been conducted away. So now I can touch the can. And here we go. Oh, sorry, I think that one was a boy. There we go. So my friends, we saw there that the space and energy between the atoms and molecules got smaller, and that caused the can to crush. So, Emily,
yes.
Would you is there anything you would add to this or say about this?
Well, thank you for asking, Alan. Sharing is caring. This is number 1, right? I just think it's quite interesting to compare the cans. This was number 1. This is number 2. All right. Yeah, I don't think we'll be doing that experiment in a hurry again. It's a little bit dangerous, but I like it. It's a good one. It's actually one we do in our shows, What's the Matter? And I can't wait to do those shows again in your school.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Apparently we go into schools and we do side shows. I almost forgot that. I just thought this was it. There we go. So, I'm enjoying this, by the way, guys. If you're enjoying it as well, please let us know in the comments. We're getting lots of cool comments coming in. Now, hello. You guys are funny today. Thank you so much.
That's either Liesl or Liesl or Annalise.
Well, the metal actually contracted. There we go. Yeah, that's another thing we could do a whole show about, is how metals react under heat, and it's a fascinating thing that I love doing live science with you. Nice one. Thank you, Oliver. So we're going to keep rocking, and we're going to keep doing what we're doing. So we've had a bit of a survey going on. We're going to do some live planting. How did it work out, Em?
Well, we're all learning, This is all new ground, what's going on right now. We're not really social media gurus or anything, I have to say. I shouldn't misappropriate that word, but we're not we're learning. So I put up a survey a couple of days ago asking people, which sprouts do you want me to plant? Because I just thought it would be fun. But you know what? I need to chill out. I'm just going to plant them all. I'm sorry I asked. People have got enough to do with watching Netflix, changing from their daytime pajamas into their nighttime pajamas, and reading books, quite frankly.
And washing their carrots in the sink.
Exactly. There's too much to do. I shouldn't have put a thing on your to-do list. I'm going to plant more. So it's going to be a little ongoing experiment. We're going to see which ones sort of grow the fastest. So number 1, this is out of my cupboard. I don't know how old they are. That might be a problem. Oh, okay. So news just in. This expired. You should have sown this by August 2019. So this is a real-life experiment. This might not work. All right. These are alfalfa sprouts, Alan.
Cool.
Let's have a little look. We're going to put these in the top tray, I think. Can you hold out this for me? Because apparently you need a tablespoon. Oh, who didn't bring their scissors with them today?
Oh, lucky enough.
That would be me.
Lucky enough, I've got the tool wall.
He has actually. We'll have to show you the tool wall at a later date.
Easy reach.
Alan, you're a legend.
Oh, actually, we need to put. You might see it in the helicopter template video, but there is also a video coming up, and you will see the tool wall. And I might do a little walkthrough to the tool wall as a bit of bonus material. So we'll do that. I don't know how interested people are in tool walls.
Doesn't really matter.
What else are you going to do?
Can you hold over there because I'm a bit messy? We're going to put 1 tablespoon of the expired alfalfa sprout seeds in the top. Put in the comments your prediction of how this is going to go. I'm not feeling that confident. I've got to be honest with you, but we've got time. So I'm going to put those there. Next we've got, hey, this is looking more hopeful. So these are organic stir-fry combos.
Ooh.
I mean, these are the hipsters of sprouts right here.
Yeah, man.
They're excited. Organic. They're sprouts, quite frankly. Chickpea, lentil, mung beans, and uduki.
Happy days.
I might pronounce it wrong.
Cool.
Hey, these don't expire till January 2022. I'm feeling good about this.
Cool. This
right, so this is trade 2. So this is because I have hobbies and then I forget about them. This is why I've got all the stuff in my cupboard. All right. Should we do another tablespoon now?
Another tablespoon. Yeah. These look quite chunky, so maybe.
They look chunky. Oh, okay. Yep. Yeah. A little bit more than that. Oh, good sound.
Yeah. So, my friends, if you just joined us, this is Science in a Van Live, doing some live planting. We will keep you updated on the plant and sprout progress. We know that Matthias and Adrian have had some great success with their seeds and that. That's good.
I'm feeling good about this. This doesn't have an expiry.
Cool. Excellent.
This is from Kuanga Gardens. I'm feeling good about this. Heritage seeds.
Ooh.
I wouldn't say these are hipster. I just think these are really cool. So these are microgreen mix, mustard, and cress. Now, I've had these in my cupboard so long I can't read the writing. Oh, there is an expiry date. Hey, we're good. July 2020.
Excellent.
And there's also some instructions, but I can't read those, so let's just do it.
Because it's July 2020, and let's get them in quick.
Let's get them in.
You know, time is ticking. Come on.
My gosh, this is probably the most exciting. Oh, there's not many in here. This is probably, I like how it's in cardboard packaging.
Yeah.
It's the most exciting TV you're going to watch today. Jeepers, this is just so intense.
Hey, cool.
Hey, there's not quite a tablespoon in there.
It's all good.
I wonder if these are meant for outside. I'm excited. I can't read it.
Well, they might be meant for
outside or inside. I've just got a vision. All right, so top tray was the expired alfalfa sprouts. Middle tray was the hipster stir fry, and last tray was the awesome Kuanga Gardens. So now, Ellen, you need to. It's got a cool siphoning system. Do you want to just move that up there a little bit? Let's cover them with water, and it should work. You know more about this system than I do. I have to be honest with you.
Cool. Cheers, then. Yeah. So,
well, you might not.
Yeah, a siphon is quite clever. We can talk about siphons probably in another day.
Oh yeah,
but basically,
it, maybe.
But basically, we need a certain equipment so we can appreciate the full functionality of a siphoning system, Emily. Because the siphoning system relies on water to pour through, and then as that pours down, it sucks the other water along to do with it. The only thing with a siphon is the end where the water comes out must be lower than the water level that you're sucking from, basically. There we go.
Yes. So, yeah. No, that's really good. It's gone to the second tray. Has it got another? It's all good. So the thing is, I need to remember to water these bad boys like 3 times a day. That's the challenge. All right. I've got another tray, but I lost the little siphoning thing in it, so it doesn't work. But it just keeps flies off it, basically. Yeah. That's kind of gross.
It creates
but
a nice environment, I feel. Yeah.
So that was live planting. I enjoyed that. I'm not sure if you did or not, but I'm loving it. And I really enjoyed eating the last ones we planted. Nice to have something fresh. So, Ellen, tell us some of the comments, my friend.
Cool. We've got some thumbs up. We've got some interesting. Hans is saying hi. I think he's finding us slightly amusing today and a good thing. Cool. Ivan Kovac, I predict the sprouts will be fried in garlic. There you go. That is a good prediction. You know me far too well.
Everything with garlic.
Literally, you know, if it says 2 cloves of garlic, chuck 3 or 4 in at least. There we go. So, cool. So he says hello. Excellent. So everyone's saying hi. We're having a good time. So, my friends,
today's been a good day.
Today's been a good day. Today's been a busy day for us. We have managed to do our supply shopping. Again, a big shout out to the Mungry Town Centre Pack and Save staff. They've been awesome. Be nice to all your essential workers around you. Share a little bit of love. Enjoy yourself. And while we're in a rush, what else have we got to do? So, my
I'll
friends,
tell you what else we've got to do.
what else have we got to do?
Well, we're going to tell them what's happening tomorrow.
Okay, what's happening tomorrow?
Tomorrow, give me a minute. I've got it. It's come to me. Friday, we've got a bit of a theme going, to be fair.
Yeah.
And we're going to get the vacuum jar out again. Okay? Which I'm excited about. And we've got a little teaser question for you to research today, if you can be bothered. What temperature does water boil at? So the little teaser question, don't answer it in the comments yet. Hold fire, you guys. I bet they will. What temperature does water boil at?
All I'm going to say is fools rush in.
Hey, Oliver, you're cutting out yourself. Loving your work.
Fools rush in, Oliver.
Hey. Oh, no, he said he realised that. You're good.
Yeah,
That's really good. That's really funny. That's made me happy. That's very fun. Okay, so sorry, Facebookers, if you've just joined us, we can only read comments on the YouTube channel because we get confused very easily. Tomorrow we're going to get Mr. Vacuum Jar out. It looks like a minion. It's not. And we're going to do some fun stuff with that. So join us tomorrow. But Alan.
Yep.
Do you know what it's time for? It's time for Joke of the Day. Joke of the Day. Drum roll, please. Boom.
Why did the student eat their homework? Why did the student eat their homework?
Why did the student eat their homework?
Because the teacher said, Emily, it'd be a piece of cake.
Oh, my ears, Ellen. They are laughing so hard today, that almost hurt. Big love to you. I hope you enjoyed today. We'll see you tomorrow for vacuum jar action. Don't forget to subscribe. We need 1,000 people by Saturday to do some experiments outside. Hopefully, the classic fizzy drink Mentos experiment. I'm not letting Alan do it in the garage. I love you lots, mate, but it's just too messy. Just too messy. Shall we go out with the theme tune now? Are you ready to dance? That's funny to you, but that's very funny. All right. See you tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed it. See you tomorrow for some live science. I think we'll just stay home for the rest of the day.
Science in a bag. Science in a bag.
Matewa!